Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix mouse cursor disappeared on Windows 10 problem. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all, we need to press Windows plus X to open this window, and once it is open we are going to use our arrows keys. So first of all, we need to press the down arrow key to access the function device manager. Just hit enter to open the device manager, and once it is open we need to press tab key to access the functions. Now here we are going to again press down arrow key to access the function which is named as mice and other pointing devices. To open it we just need to hit right arrow key to open it up. Once it is open, just again hit down arrow key to go to the option complaint mouse. So here we need to hit shift plus F10 to open the further options, and here we are going to again use the down arrow key to access the function uninstall device. Hit enter, then you will see the option as uninstall device. Here we are going to again hit enter to uninstall this. Once it is uninstalled, we need to press alt plus F4 to close the device manager. Now once you are on your desktop, we need to again press alt plus F4 to open this window, and now you can press the down arrow key or up arrow key to set your PC on shutdown or restart. Let me set it on restart, so I'll just going to hit down arrow key to set it on restart, and here we just need to press enter to restart the PC. And once you restart your PC, you will see that your cursor is now appeared, and this is how you can solve this problem. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.